AI assistants brought in that flexibility to chat interface, but also it provided us that control and governance over these systems. Just like the switch of how we went from chatbots to AI agents.
Well, what's IBM's role in this trend?
So IBM's strategy is to bring.
You've seen consumer AI like ChatGPT, but what about AI for business? At NVIDIA GTC, I interviewed an IBM specialist in AI.
Hi.
Would you like to introduce yourself and your role at IBM, please?
Sure. So my name is Sai, and I'm an AI Technical Specialist at IBM. So I've been with IBM for about 3 years now, and mainly my work is on the technical sales side with products like Watsonx.
With the rise of AI agent, how is IBM catching this wave?
Definitely. So before I talk about how IBM is catching up, I'll give you a little 2-minute brief about how the difference between AI assistants to agentic AI kind of developed on, right? So starting from a very initial stage of chatbots, which start popping up on these websites, they were all rules-based, pre-programmed, which were rigid, not flexible. So after adding natural language capabilities into it, we got that introduction to virtual assistants. This is where they were a little bit more intent, and it started becoming ease of conversation with the assistant. Then with the introduction of Gen AI and large language models, essentially what happened is we got this new category called AI assistants. Now AI assistants are even more natural, and they're more like a human dialogue. AI assistants brought in that flexibility to AI, the chat interface, but also it provided us that control and governance over these systems. It's very critical to the end user. And then the latest evolution is AI agents. AI assistants, a tool which pretty much gives information to users and does some prescriptive flow, like workflow, to a tool which actually can understand user intent and perform complex tasks for us. So this is like the switch of how we went from chatbots to all the way to AI agents and agentic AI.
Well, what's IBM's role in this trend?
So IBM's strategy is agentic AI to X. So with the help of domain specific capabilities. So how we are doing that is by creating domain agents for specific use cases like HR, IT, procurement, sales, all these different use cases, and having a multi-orchestrator agent which can collaborate with all of these agents separately, providing you that unified, seamless chat experience. Reduce the amount of manual effort that I take to move from one particular interface to another.
What are some challenges that your customer faces, and how does IBM solve those challenges?
We're trying to improve efficiency of the employee and reduce the manual work. You train it for one use case, like example HR, employee promotion, time of approval, or updating my home address. All of these use cases are all pre-built. So now as an end user, you just pick up this particular domain agent and then you connect it to an orchestrator agent where you can access it quickly. That simplifies manual work tremendously.
Do you have one piece of advice for students who want to get started in this AI agent field?
So if you want to play around, if you want to test how agentic AI works, always there's a free trial on IBM Cloud that you can go register. You get some few credits and 200 credits or so. Get a look and feel of that tool. And furthermore, the IBM platform website has a lot of information about agentic AI and how that is progressing on to revolutionize business processes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.